Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to get reroll shards in Anime Last Stand on Roblox. One of the best ways to get reroll shards is by participating in in-game events. Keep an eye out for special events announced by the developers where reroll shards are often given as rewards. Complete your daily quests in the game. Many of these quests will reward you with reroll shards upon completion. Now check the game's social media accounts or Discord server for promo codes. These codes often give out free reroll shards. Now if you are in a hurry, you can also buy reroll shards using Robux. Simply head to the in-game store and make your purchase. And that's how easy it is to get reroll shards in Anime Last Stand in Roblox. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.